As I predicted, President Cyril Ramaphosa will not resign from office. He will still be the president of the Republic of South Africa. And I think this is a good move. It's a bold move. It means he has confidence in himself. And if he were to resign, that would be weak. I mean, he would be the weakest president ever because this scandal is not that big. Yes, Phala Phala, we know it's like a big scandal for Ramaphosa, but it's a minor situation. I think he can get away from this. I mean, all he has to do is go to parliament and make sure that he argues his case. I'm not sure if he's going to talk in parliament and actually argue because the evidence against him is overwhelming, man. Like there are so many things, they're all investigated, IP'd investigated. So it's going to be very interesting because he's the only president so far that I've seen that under so much pressure, he hasn't resigned. Because remember, President Thabo Mbeki resigned. Also, Jacob Zuma resigned. So he's standing up for himself and making sure that he never gets prosecuted. But the interesting thing is that the reason he got away with this thing for such a long time is because of the public protector. So will the public protector protect him once again?
I therefore respectfully want to make it clear that I will not resign. To do so would be to preempt a process defined by the Constitution. To do so would be to give credence to a panel report that unfortunately has grave flaws. To do so would be to abdicate the responsibility that I assumed when I became president of...
I think another political party that can save President Cyril Ramaphosa is the political party that's been quiet, suspiciously quiet, the Democratic Alliance. Yes, Helen Zille has spoken about it, but not as loud as the other times. I mean, I think something is happening here because I think another reason that President Cyril Ramaphosa survived for this long is because of the GNU. I mean, if they're in the GNU, they're eating together, everything is nice and is more predictable. Because if they were to have Patrice Motsepe, all of a sudden, people in the GNU, the political parties, they don't know what might happen from there. Will they still be getting favors as much as they're getting them right now, the tenders and everything else? So it's very much unpredictable. And I think the EFF, Julius Malema doesn't care this time. He has his own cases. So he might as well throw President Cyril Ramaphosa under the bus as well and make sure that they go together. Because now he can have his name tainted and then President Cyril Ramaphosa stays clean. So the Phala Phala matter, it would be very beneficial for